In the past year, this motivational quote video has gotten over 6.2 million views, and in today's video, I will attempt to launch a similar YouTube channel solely utilizing AI. My intention is to automate the complete creative process, encompassing script writing, visuals, and voiceover. I came across this idea while scrolling on YouTube for potential faceless channel ideas. Then I found this channel, which is an inspirational quotes channel. You might say, okay, what's interesting about it? After doing my research, I was shocked by the numbers. This channel is made by making simple videos like this. As you can see, this channel is making somewhere between $1,300 to over $20,000 every month. Let's get started. I will start by asking ChatGPT to create 20 YouTube channel name idea for my inspirational quotes channel. There are so many options, but I really like this one. I have already created a channel. Head over to YouTube Studio, go to the customization tab, then basic info. I will now rename my channel to Words of Wisdom. I will just leave the description tab. Now I need to figure out my channel branding. For this, I will be using Leonardo.ai. It is a completely free text-to-image generator. As you can see, I was already experimenting with it. Let's go for it. Now I will come up here and ask it to create for me an image of an old wise Chinese man with a white beard and hair holding an ancient scripture. The results are amazing. I really like this one. I will just click on it and download it. Now let's head back to Canva. Come up here and search for YouTube banner. I will keep it simple. Just go to Elements and search for a black background. I will choose this one. Let me also adjust the size. Now it is good. Let's head back to ChatGPT and ask it to create 10 fun YouTube banner captions about subscribing to a channel that is about inspirational videos. Now we have so many options. I like this one. I will copy it now. Let's head back to Canva, click on text, then heading and just paste our text here. Let me adjust the size, and now it is ready to download. Now let's head back to the YouTube Studio to upload the logo and banner, and now the branding is done. Now let's start with the first step, script generation. I will go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write 50 famous Chinese proverbs and quotes in only English without author's name. Now, if I want more, I can just type more and it will create more quotes for me. The first task is completed, we have a script. Second step, voice generation. I will use Elevenlabs for this. Just click on this and you will be on this page. All you have to do now is just copy paste our script here. Now, in the settings, choose Adam. Now click on generate. Our voiceover is ready. I will just quickly download it. Step 3, video editing. Head back to Canva, search for YouTube video and select the blank canvas. Now we need a background for our video. I will use the same background as my banner. You can also use AI to create a background. And now we need to create a character. Here we need to get creative because I don't want to just copy this channel. I want to do something a little better, which I will show in the end. Now for this, I will use Leonardo.ai again. Now, if you guys remember, we already generated some characters before. So let's select one from this. The best part of Leonardo is it can create images on a transparent background, so we don't have to use any additional tools for that. Now our character is ready. Let's head back to Canva and upload our character. Let me just resize it and adjust the position. It looks super cool. Let's download it. Click on share, then go to download, and here choose PNG instead of MP4. We are not done yet. Next step, go to Google and type DID, and now this AI tool will make our character speak. Remember, this channel only uses a still image, but we will bring our image to life. Just go to login, create an account, and now you will come to the dashboard. Just click on create video and choose the option. I will just select the image that we made on Canva, and now we can either add the script here or just upload the voiceover. I will select the voiceover that we generated and upload the audio, and then just go above and click on generate video. You have to wait a little bit till it is finished. As you can see now, our character is speaking. It looks so cool and unique. Now I will just download the video. Step 4, adding subtitles. But this, I will be using Veed.io. Just sign up for free. Now once you are on this page, click on create project and then just close this tab. Click on media and select the video that we just downloaded. Now just go to the subtitles and click on Create Auto Subtitles. I will select the language English and click on Create Subtitle. Our subtitles have been generated. Just select the first subtitle. Now let me adjust the size and place it here. Now head over to Styles, click on left twice and choose Plain. Let me change the color to white and also change the font to April Fatface. Now select this. This will make our letters capitalize. Now let me play and see how it looks. That is just amazing. I know you guys want to hear it, but wait till the end to watch the result. Now, if you want, you can download it like this. The video is complete, but I always want to go the extra mile. Here I have an overlay file, which consists of dust particles, lights, and fire particles I will add on top of the video to make it more realistic. I have attached a file in the description that you guys can download for free if you're planning to make a similar channel. Check out the video with overlay, and now check out without the overlay. I like the overlay version. Now just click on Done, then Export Video, and now just select MP4. Step 5, Video Uploading and SEO. Let's go to YouTube Studio and upload our video. Now we need the title, video description, and keywords for our video. I will use ChatGPT for this. Let's ask it to create 10 titles for a YouTube video about inspirational Chinese quotes and idioms. I really like this one. Now I will ask it to create a short YouTube video description to get views with the title, The Best Chinese Quotes to Inspire Your Inner Warrior. I will just quickly copy and paste our title and description here. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create long and short keywords to get views on a YouTube video with the title, The Best Chinese Quotes to Inspire Your Inner Warrior. Let's copy and paste this as well. Step 6, Thumbnail Design. Let's head back to Canva, click on Create, and type YouTube thumbnail. Choose the same black background and our character. And now click on the text, then heading, now choose any quote, but don't copy the entire quote and paste it here. Let me choose the font to impact. Also let me adjust the size. Now go to Element and type brush, choose this, and change the color to red. Now place it on top of the text. Click on position and then select backward. Our thumbnail is ready. Let's download it. Now go to YouTube Studio, upload the thumbnail. Then click on next and now select this option. Now in the visibility tab, choose public and then click on publish. And that is it. Our video is live. Now it is time to show you guys the final video.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. An inch of time is an inch of gold, but you can't buy that inch of time with an inch of gold.
It looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Unfortunately, you need a paid version to download videos without a watermark. If you have the money, you can invest in the paid version. But I am fine with the little watermark. I hope you guys like the video. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video.